let's watch the video that happened today before I play that thing. Let's watch the video that happened today. Because of the blogger, I learned a blogger on social media. I don't know which of them, but that's not. I just saw Asake people. They have been out for that blogger. You know, I don't know who amongst them, but they have been out and they are very upset. So I think they went to the man, because it was stated that they said the man was lying. So I will play it here.
Me, I'm not going to go to your mother's matter, but you need to do the needful and take care of your family.
By my is an Ikulawa. Terry Ozolo Pangeti Ilewa. Alias Malu, Mama Ahmed, and Yola Diodusi.
Can you see? See, his name is, sorry, I'm coming, I'll play it very well. You see, his house, his name is not Asake. His name, the father didn't give him the name Asake. He got the Asake from his mother's side. And the woman that took care of him when the mother, I was told, abandoned him. Let me not use the word abandon. Left him and went with a musician. The name of the musician is Murili, or something like that. Murili, the man was staying in Egon. So, as far as they are concerned, Mama Bashino, you know, like the case of Mama Mohbad. Let me make it very clear. Like the case that Baba Mohbad said about Mama Mohbad. That is the case. But the difference is, it was said that this guy by the name Ahmed Aide Babatunde, that Babatunde is to means his father has come back. His own father. You can see he's not agreeing with them that his name is Asake. Those were the story I was saying yesterday. But today now they have decided to say it because they told me yesterday, and I gisted you people briefly yesterday. So the man had decided to say it today by himself. I'm coming.
Me, I'm not going to go to your mother's matter, but you need to do the needful and take care of your family.
By my is an Ikulawa. Terry Ozolo Pangeti Ilewa. Alias Malu, Mama Ahmed, and Yola Diodusi.
Girl to bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ lánàá. This is the girl that spoke to me yesterday, the lady. Okay, that's the blogger.
I'm begging you, Mr. Money. Wale, I'm going to send this thing to you. You know we have talked, and you need to send to Olamide, which you have been promising your midnight. And John to your Lord, he should come and do the Needful. Even people for Nigeria that 10 billion for Baba Ile. If Asake should drop 1 million, it's going to make him happier than the money we have donated for him. That is one thing I want you to know. And Quran to sign Ramadan Lawa. What's the idea of Zari?
Amen.
I want you to grow, which you have grown already, and we need more about it. Almighty Allah will keep on putting you more and more about it. Please take care of your daddy. I'm begging you for the sake of Almighty Allah. Me, I'm not going to go to your mother's matter, but you need to do the Needful and take care of your family.
Because some people have started lying, they've started writing, oh, he bought house for the father, he gave father $1 million. If he did that, will they be saying it here that you can at least just buy a house for your daddy here? If he's not following you to Lekki where you kept your mother, buy a house for him too. Let him rent some part out. He will be using it to eat. Then he will be living in one part of it. Do it for your father. You Opojunyelo. Do you understand? I'm just saying what they said today, this evening. Zinat is the mother of his is his child. They are talking about it now. That's the Zinat that I brought her video out yesterday. Do you know the last time this Olalade that doesn't live inside space? He's not living in Antarctica, he's not living in Australia. He's living in Nigeria. Can you believe that child, when she was growing up, I will come back to it. When she was growing up, she's 11 now. People were now, you know, when Olalade and Asake started reigning in 2022, they were now saying that, she was saying that's my daddy. She was saying it with mouth too. I said, how can he be your daddy? No photo of you, nothing with him. How, you know, kids, you know how kids are. You can imagine if Davido is your daddy. You can imagine if Wizkid is your daddy. Won't you be happy to so the girl desperately, with all, they managed to see Olalade Asake. I showed you people the video. I shared it. Do you know after that day, 3 years ago till now, they have not seen, the girl have not seen Olalade Asake. Look, I'm not even talking about the baby mama, because if you see her, you won't even, God forgive me, you won't believe that is the baby mama. So you will know his class before. You won't even believe that is the baby mama. And she's the one that betted that child that I sent you people. Because, but is it not baby mama that Imade is doing? Tonyo and all those other ones in America. Because they have the money. They have the money. If he can just even leave the tattoo he's doing all over his body and go and remove one of the teeth, he will at least use it to take care of that child. That's Zinat. That is why people are saying, is it spiritual? From Isaleko, I think it is spiritual. Because how can you, all of them, this Baba is not far from his grandchild, because they say when they gave birth to that Zinat, That time he never blow 11 years ago. The girl said when she got pregnant, she was learning hairdressing and learning not that time makeup have not entered, hairdressing. So wait, I'm coming. No, she was learning hairdressing. Fine, we can't force him to marry the girl. It's not possible. Let's not put Matt in that aspect. But she said when she took him, they told her that, oh, you may not even have child again. If you share you may buy. She told Ololade, and Ololade now said, they have taken him in Unifel. That it's not the right time. So she said, okay. The mother now called her. The mother heard it and told her that what happened, that I heard you people are talking about pregnancy and picking, saying loyu. The mother now said, you can't remove it. Give me Ololade and Asake's phone number. Not phone number, to speak to him. So they called Ololade and Asake and told him that this girl will not remove pregnancy. And that is the only child she has since that time till now. Thank God she didn't remove the pregnancy. So that one is aside. Number 2, since you have had that child, your daddy is not good. Okay. The girl then said he went to school. Because I was saying, Lala, how can't you people call Lala? He now said, Lala just came into existence in all of this matter when he went to Unifair. You understand? When he went to Unifair, in the beginning, he was a DJ. He was doing DJ. So you can imagine how this girl too would have looked. This girl that, she now look, she, somehow, but you can imagine how she would have looked then. He was doing DJ. They said he will always go and sit with her where she's learning hairdressing. That people knew them. He will go and sit there. This Ololade and Asake. You call what it that? You will know. What I want you people to understand is that you do not know the true color of people. Let them have money. The only way you can know the true color of me, you, all of us that are here, you will see somebody that is very nice now. Test them with money. Money. That every one of us, wallahi, we are all humble when we don't have. Test people with money. The true humble people is people that have money and they are still humble and they are still kind and they are still generous. Test people with money. I'm telling you, the guy is not nice. If for anything, the moment you blow like that, Pasuma, when he was nobody, he has delivered all those children that you are seeing with him, that they are looking like his wife now. Many of them like that. You are seeing all those people that you are seeing with him now. Those children, Pasuma, name it. Nobody left their kids. You don't have to bring the child for us to see. That's not our business. But at least you will make sure that you are all this America you are going to, the child should have gone with you, because this is what Ololade, Olamide, all of them, they are doing for their children. Whiskey is ni oju elegba o. They know my story. Have you seen Whiskey's father before? Does he look like somebody that is rich? Does he look like somebody that is rich? No. If he didn't even care for his father, I want to say, maybe the father is deadbeat. Why? How could you forget a child that everybody knows? They know the woman is still in touch with the father, still caring for the father still caring for the grandchild, that is the daughter. That's where you will know there's a problem. She told me, she said, Olola, they said I should go and meet the mother after I had given birth. That they did the naming ceremony. That is, Ololade them, they did it with the father in Isaleko. People know them. I'm coming, I will play. People that know them, know them. So when they did the naming ceremony, they did everything. Everybody knows the child with you. He used to go to where this girl is doing hairdressing. They said when he gave birth to the child, he will go there and come and play with the child. Then you now blow. You blow. Who you supposed blow with? Even if you don't even want nice to, you don't want to deal with that girl again, you will still take care of that child. Even Pasuma that didn't go to school, it's not like that. Go and follow the case of Pasuma. All the children, doesn't joke with them. When you blow, how can you blow with your children? We are all abusing the father, not me and you people are not joining now. Una all they abuse the papa, saying a deadbeat. So what is it to this girl? How can you be in Nigeria like that? That's why they say if you compare one child to another, you go buy one for another. If you compare child, you will say your father is not good. Okay? Now, that deadbeat, it should traumatize you. That you don't want to ever be like that to any of your children. Let's accept that. That's as you people that are saying that the man is deadbeat. Won't you now make in your own child's life, won't you make sure that history does not repeat itself? Do you get what I mean? So look at Davido. He will go to where, put them in private jets. He was asking for Imade's companion, Shabi, what will I call it too, so that they can go on holiday alone with his children. They will lay on his chest. What else does a child want? What else? Tell me. What more? That's why I won't lie to anybody. I always tell people, Emi Mama Sonny, till forever. In fact, the way I talk about my father, my husband gets intimidated. I always, the criteria I give, I say, I never see Papa way good past my father. I see, he dealt with me when he needed to deal with me. But I can tell you people the truth that I am here to say. When you talk about children that love their father, come to my house. My father is long dead. My mama, if you still won't say anything bad about my father, you will see all of us turn against her. You will be thinking, no, mommy, don't say that, don't say that. We still will say no. Because when you talk about when a man, anything that you want, you need. We only had mothers as per they were vessel that brought us into the world. To my period, till my father died, when I miss my period, I'm pregnant. My father is whom I talk to. That is how close I was to my father. And not only me, all of us. The thing is not from here. So some men have that ability to do it. And so if you can't do it, at least you'll be giving money. You can't celebrate the girl. You can't showcase the girl. You can't do anything with the girl. You understand? Then you are still neglecting the girl. And me, I will now side you that your father came out. I will believe, because if you can be so hardened to neglect what your sperm produced, then your father cannot mean anything to you. Because we have some children where omo daju ni won, àwọn ọmọ mi daju. Boy yẹn mi ní fẹ́ kí èèyàn gbógun ti ọmọ mi. I wish him the best in life. He's already there. Nothing will bring him down. But he needs to amend his ways. It's already there. Okay. Báyìí ni Asake mama lọ. Kò ní kan ò ní ṣe, láburú ò ní ṣe. Kò ní wálẹ̀, kò ní bàjẹ́ fún. But he should amend his ways. He should think of that child. Just as much as I will still say he should think of his father, but I still feel he is indebted to that child. In fact, the lady should be enjoying from the care he's having for the child. He should buy it. Right, I'm telling you. I'm the one helping them to now. As the girl has learned salu work, you should set her up. Use that to compensate her. Those are people that truly love you when you were nobody, when your mouth was still like this and you had mouth odor. That you didn't have money to buy real toothpaste. You used to. Those are the people. Now she may not look good. She may not look like Tyra and all those beautiful girl. Yeah, she look local. She look, yes, but those are the people that truly love you when you were a nobody, when the going was tough. When the going was tough, so you can set her up.
Oh yeah, the lady says you can go and do DNA test for her. Everybody, if you any brother that can go to the kids, DNA. If you are doubting it, because I can't put him on DNA will bring the proof out. If you don't have DNA, you have to tell you,
family Woni malo lo pasuno. That is, it was the father that named that child. It was the father that did the party in Isaleko 11 years ago. These were the things that, you know why, you see that the girl is with the father. You know why I love this girl? Because yesterday when she was talking to me, I was just listening because my mind was saying, and she still, because that man has since then connected to that child. This is my grandchild. Wo ṣe súná ọmọ yẹn, wo fún ọmọ yẹn lórúkọ, má ló sọ ní orúkọ. Wo dẹ̀ sọ ní Zinat Ọdúnsì Àjọkẹ́.
You guys should just please now. Enjoy to your now. Almighty Allah will help every one of us that want to donate.
And this lady has been taking care of the father. Àwọn people here, Jeka saw 11 years. This lady told me one thing. There were some things I didn't want to put out, and my reason is because I don't want, anything. She opened her heart a lot to me. So there are some things, due that I'm not able to play some things. I have my reason. Because Ondola, I want her to, where I'm going to is that this lady told me that after she had given birth and everything, there was one day, Ololade, before he before 2022 to blow, Ololade told him to go to Badagry. I told her, sorry, to go to Badagry. That they were still seeing before Kotowa blow. You understand? That's why, sorry to say, I will say one thing. When these people I don't know if this will help any of you. When you see a partner or you are dating people, 10 years back in stock exchange, don't go and be counting stockfish in the market. You need to upgrade. The moment you see that the man that you are with, if he doesn't now marry you, sorry to say, it doesn't matter, but don't let him leave you behind. If your husband or your boyfriend or your baby father is upgrading his stock exchange, knowing what is happening on the computer, you to go and learn computer. Not computer necessarily. Upgrade yourself. Further your education. Further your education. Don't let him come back with him meeting you uneducated, because that will be one excuse, reason why he cannot carry you along. But it's not an excuse not to take care of your child, because if you have been able to measure up with his standard, you may not be all posh, but at least you are trying. Education, you too are not to. But you will be thinking, if you say, what did the graduate, aside that, he didn't even mention all this in Riajo. He didn't even mention you in his story. They are just shouting it now. Here, sitting down there and saying it in their living room here. Do you understand? He didn't mention it. A lot of people, when I brought out the child yesterday, they were saying, are you sure? Can you? Somebody are even saying that if they, are you, why? You understand? Because he is not telling people about that. It's good that people keep things out from the social media, but be doing what is needful, the needful. Be taking care of your child. You don't need to come out and say it or tell people. It's okay if you don't want people to know. That is your business. But at least you should be taking care of your child. The father too is a musician. He actually got the talent from the father. Even though it was said that the mother, I will play it, one part that some people in Isaleko said, how far that one is true. It's allegation, and that one is none of our business, to be sincere. You know all those things that Baba Mubatu was saying about Iya Mohbad? It's none of our business. The most important thing is, was he there in the beginning? And if he's not there at all, he wouldn't have been the one that would have done the naming ceremony of this child at 11 years ago. He works at the local government. This man, he works at the local government. Do you know that with this is stroke and his one eye blind? If you go and look at his old pictures, the eye wasn't blind. He probably must have had glaucoma and cataract. You understand? That's not even the same. But looking at this man, if or what toju, with the way this guy, God has blessed him, if real hand of, as he's come sing for us, say, Baba Fema Kajo, Baba won't bring him down. We go see him for this man body. At least he will have car, and he will not be still living in rented apartment. I saw one place where some people are now writing that he said he gave the father 100 million. Me, I don't believe that story. He bought him a house. The father sold the house, and he carries ashawo. So if someone that has stroke is carrying ashawo, he get as he be. You understand? This man that I'm seeing, can he even see the whole of Ashewo Bomb as he is like this? He should go and take care of his father and go and take care of Zinat. The mother, as I speak, go and ask people that know. She's in Lekki. If you can put the mother in Lekki, the way Mohbad did exactly, you can put. Now this man is cried out. We are the same people castigating, especially those of you that have deadbeat husband, deadbeat father, deadbeat boyfriend, deadbeat everything in your life. Many of you are abusing this man. Because if your child is Ololademi Asake, you don't expect to be suffering like this. Your child, that is when they say, whoa, you have arrived. You will be envy of people. Even the people that their kids are not up to Ololademi Asake, they are eating the fruit of their labor. They are eating it, at least in Wamba. What will cause me? Remember when Whiskey's mother died? All of them, Burna Boy, look at all of them. A lot of people are asking, where is Burna Boy's daddy? Baba is at home enjoying you. Mommy is following up and down. But Baba is enjoying you. That's his own business. The marriage is still together. Baba can maybe decided not to follow. So you cannot see your father. As long as all the people in Lagos, if he wasn't there, if he was as bad as Sway Baby, people will say it. When Sway Baby's turn came, neighbors, nobody turned up for him. They said it all her. He wasn't a good man. His children, everybody pointed it out. He wasn't a good man. This man, people of Isaleko are not talking like that about him. So why is it that it's them now begging Ololademi Asake to take care of his child? That these two people take care of them. Because the other child that the mother has for another man, she went with a musician. She now had another child for another man. That's the child that follows Ololademi Asake up and down. Meanwhile, she had only one child for this man. She had others. They did not survive. Ololademi Asake is the only child alive. And he's the first child of this man. In fact, I don't know how far that is true. It may be lies too, like the lies of the one they wrote. You know how these people don't form lies. It was said that whilst the man was taking care of him from 3 years old, some even said he was 3 months old. But what the girl told me, I can play it, is that it's from 3 years old that the mother left Olalade with this man. And Olalade also told her, you know, when the going was good. So, what went wrong from 2022? What went wrong? Sometimes you don't need to, if you know that your father is the people that play Baba Jeb, Abi, you will buy the house